Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to look into what are the unethical practices followed by marketers. Before I start with the topic, please understand what is ethics. Ethics is what is right and what is wrong. When you're doing the right thing, it is ethical, and when you're doing a wrong thing, it is unethical. So let us look into our slide which discusses certain unethical practices followed by marketers today. First unethical practices, and the major thing which I personally don't like, is targeting the children. You know, today the marketers are showing certain goods for the children like costly and expensive erasers, compass box, stationery, watches, bicycles, and the kids looking at these advertisements are demanding the same from their parents. Also, the marketers are trying to make the kids more and more materialistic. The psychologists in our country say that materialistic people are not as happy as others. So, it is my request to all the marketers to please be ethical and target the kids. Of course, we need to target the kids, but don't make them more materialistic. Let them enjoy their childhood, right? Next point is dramatization of children. Many ads we see that kids are doing stunts. They are performing certain steps, certain stunts which are really dangerous. Kids, actual kids in the real life don't understand that they are only stunts and they are under the observation. So even they try the same and get injured. So this is the second unethical practice of marketers. Third point is unhealthy products. Many unhealthy chips and products like fried products are sold in the market which are not good for the health. So this type of unhealthy products should be avoided. Next point is high exorbitant price. This is marketers are selling the products at a very high price than actual requirement. So this is also unethical because many people want to buy the product but could not buy because of the high price. Next is data piracy. Many CDs and movies we get pirated. This is also unethical. Next point is expiry date concern. What are expiry date concerns? In this, the marketer are trying to sell the product even after the expiry date. Medicines, food items, cosmetics which are very unhealthy and very injurious to health are sold after the expiry date. Sometimes the marketer also sells a medicine when its expiry date is quite close. So this all is not right. It's unethical and should be avoided. Celebrity endorsement. Marketers are using celebrities like cricketers, film stars and so on to sell the product. Whereas these celebrity who actually promote the product never use the product. So this is unethical. Next is after sales concern. Once the sale is done and the customer has certain complaint about the product, the marketers say, "Tu con, मैं con." So this is again a wrong thing. Artificial shortages. Certain people, especially during the strikes, hold the product, do hoardings and do artificial shortages in the market just to increase the demand and to increase the price of the product. Again, this is unethical on the part of the marketers. Also, black marketing. People are selling the products in black marketing by creating artificial storage in the shops. All these are unethical practices of marketing. I hope we all are ethical, and with this, I end my video. If you like, please stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.